that replacing brilliant blue, a synthetic dye in Smarties, by cabbage juice extract is going to improve the nutritional profile of that product? Well, it seems that some manufacturers think exactly like that, as do some grocery chains. In fact, in Canada, a large chain has just decided that they would replace the synthetic dyes and synthetic flavors in a line of food by natural ones. Well, I kind of support the notion, but not for the reason that they suggest. Let's put it this way. Foods that have a lot of artificial flavors and a lot of artificial dyes tend to be nutritionally poor. They don't have many minerals, they don't have many vitamins, they have loads of sugar. These are not the kind of things that we should be eating on a regular basis, no matter what flavors they contain or what dyes they contain. Now, there are some legitimate issues about food dyes. There's the possibility that in rare cases it will exacerbate hyperactivity in children, and children then should stay away from highly colored foods. But they should be staying away from those foods anyway because, as I suggested, they are nutritionally poor. In terms of artificial flavors, there we have sort of an interesting conundrum. Consider strawberries, for example. The major flavor in strawberries is a compound called methylbutanoate. We can make that in the lab pretty easily. But if you make it in the lab and put it into a snack food, it is labeled as an artificial flavor. If you take exactly the same compound, isolated from strawberries, and put it into a snack food, it's called a natural flavor. So it kind of then implies that natural is better than the synthetic, even though it's exactly the same compound. There is no such equation that suggests that natural is safe and synthetic is bad. The only way that we know about any substance, whether it's good or not good, is by studying it, not by its ancestry. Whether it was made by a chemist in a lab or nature made it in a plant doesn't matter. What matters is what it is. So let's get rid of this myth that natural is always good, synthetic is bad. We spend our life trying to overcome the ravages of nature. Bacteria, viruses, fungi are all natural. We want to eliminate them. So let's keep it to the scientific method and not buy into the myth that natural is safe and synthetic is bad.